Hello, my friends. I'm just sitting in my car on my lunch break. I am a full-time teacher, mother of two, pretty eager to get out of this. I'm super excited. I've just had another sale. It's such an amazing program. If you're looking for a low investment, no tech, it's fully automated, work for 2 hours a day, I encourage you to check out the blueprint. Comment how, or go to my bio and check out the link. You're gonna have to copy and paste that just to find out about this program. I invested at $600, and so I have now 3 income streams selling digital products. It's amazing. It's so much fun. I love getting out here. I love meeting people in the community. The community is amazing. And yeah, you get your full website built for you, your funnel. You can go for it selling these digital products. And I'm super excited. I made another sale. I just started this about 10 days ago. I tell you, the proof is in the pudding. If you want to know more about it, I'm not trying to sell anything to you. I just want people to know about this. It is life-changing. I can't wait to change things for my family. Things have been really tough with the way the groceries have gone up and just everything. So if you're looking to change your situation and do things that you want to do, just go check out this blueprint. Have a wonderful day, everybody. I'm so excited about that. I think the bell has gone. It's time for me to go back to my work. Fingers crossed, this is the last year for this. All right, toodaloo.